Hello everybody, my name's Andy Raffel from eTechnics.com, and generally we do all of our unboxings, our video reviews, we also do question and answers and how-tos all in video format. We don't generally do our news, but today it's slightly different because it's something that is quite important and it really needs to be sort of shown out there to everyone. And that is the new product coming from Futuremark, 3DMark11. Obviously we all know and love, especially in the review community, 3DMark06, 3DMark Vantage, as well as some of the PCmark software, but this one is brand new and it's going to set the bar for some of the latest games that will be coming out in the next couple of years. Generally, when you look at 3DMark products, you can see the type of graphics that they use. A couple of years later is how we actually see the games progress and what they will actually look like. So I do get a lot of questions asking about obviously the latest products coming out, the latest games coming out, as well as when is the new Futuremark product coming out, and it is coming out very, very soon. They're actually in the pre-order stage at the moment, and there's probably a lot of people out there wondering if it will run on their system. So we thought we'd just give you a little bit of a rundown. Now you will need either Windows Vista or Windows 7 based machine. No other operating systems will do. It will need to be one of those operating systems. But I'm guessing most people these days have learnt the error of their ways when using Vista and gone over to Windows 7 anyway. You will also need a 1.8 GHz dual-core AMD or Intel CPU. Doesn't matter which, as long as it is at least 1.8 GHz and is a dual-core processor. You will also need 1 GB of free memory. So most people these days I've found have got 4 GB and upwards, even 2 GB. As long as you've got a gig free, no problem at all. You will also need a compatible DirectX 11 graphics card. Generally there's a lot of systems now coming out with integrated DirectX 11 graphics, so no problem there. But obviously the better graphics card you have, the better score you're going to get in this benchmarking program. You will also need 1.5 GB of hard drive space, which generally most people are going to have. And you will also need either a Windows Vista or Windows 7 compatible sound card. I know that a lot of people these days use either the Asus Sonar, or they do just use an integrated onboard graphics, onboard sound, which is generally good enough for what most people use. I use onboard and it is compatible fully with Windows 7. Now you're probably wondering what this new 3DMark looks like, so we've actually incorporated the trailer into this video, so take a look and tell us what you think by commenting below.